What's got 182 teeth and holds back a monster?
I don't know.
My flies.
Helo, Efa Gaffey dwi, a dwi yma ngwyl comedi Mach yn llath heddiw, a gyda un cwestiwn yn unig. Pa mor ffyni ydi bobl Mach? Ydych chi'n dda fo jôcs?
Gwneud joc I chi.
Gret.
O goris fi, ni'n adigol, a be gweithio nes I rioed, o symud ma.
I symud I fama.
Ie, o hippies yna ndi. Mae hynna'n dilau'r cyffuria, nyrs mae hynna'n byw yn di. Fitis yna rhywbeth. Fitis yna afterbirth mynd iawn.
Gael y boys yn gorwedd tan car.
Dwi'n gwybod.
Jack.
I don't get it.
Be wedodd y bysgodyn pam nath o nofio fe'n yr wal?
Dwi'n gwybod.
Dam.
Good one, good one. Got any jokes?
Nah.
Oh, there's no entry then, sorry.
Yeah, two fish in a tank. One says to the other, how do you drive this thing?
I don't know.
It's wide and mothflower with the legs open. Seen the size of mothballs.
I didn't ask for a 12-inch pianist.
Be ti'n ganu I E.T. ar I ben-blwydd?
Happy birthday, ben-blwydd Marcus. E.T.
Yay! Come on, come on.
O'n i ddim ble ma nhw a mynd I siopa.
Yr archfarchnad?
Wrth gwrs, eto,
Good,
ydw
okay.
honna, o gwaith meddwl fyna, fynd I bach.
Why did the reporter cross the road?
I don't know.
To get the Chinese national daily newspaper?
I don't get it.
Neither do I. I get the Mach News and Journal.
I still don't get it.
How does Mr.Whippy do a poo?
Don't know. I like a movement. We haven't had the movement one yet.
What's got 182 teeth and holds back a monster?
I don't know.
My flies. There you go. Right, okay.
Yes! So ni wedi efo jôcs I ni. Dim yn meddwl... Mae'n rhywbeth yn ffyni. Can you repeat the joke? Sgyn ti joc?
I found the buzz the other day, the driver said single. I said, sorry pal, I've already got a girlfriend. And he was loving it, he was. You can have that one for free, sunshine.
Aunty Gwen yn siarad awr gyda Aunty Mari. A wedyn Aunty Gwen, is I pictures yn ysgrifennu gyda Gareth Roberts na. A wedyn wrtho fi, gyda eistedd yn y seat Kevin yn y pictures, le bach mwy tywyll. Wel, when ni'n werthin. Pam wyt ti werthin? Wel, roedd y fraich rhwng wedi e. Wel, o'n I werthin. When wedi e, gyda wedyn, wel, o'n e ffordd trwy ffilm wedi e. Roedd y fraich ar yng ngoesi. Wel, o'n I werthin roedd e, werthin. Pam wyt ti werthin? Wel, mae'n man yn diawr wedi e. Wedyn, roedd y fraich arall y pelin fi. Wel, o'n I werthin. Pam wyt ti werthin? O sweets y pocket fi trwy amser.
And all the sweets are there. Yeah?
God, is it rolling?
Yes.
Hello, everyone. Mach Comedy Festival, best comedy festival in Wales. I noticed there's a Greg's not just very far from here. I love Greg's. You like Greg's?
Love Greg's.
I love Greg's.
Who doesn't?
It's a national treasure, I reckon, isn't it?
It is.
Like, do you ever go into Greg's and
All the
ask
time.
for a pad thai just to see the reaction on the guy's face?
No.
You know, the guy's like, what? One of them thought one time I went there, he thought that it was actually they sold some pad thai in there. It was like, then you go, it's not pad thai, you know, and it's very disappointing. Welcome.
Welcome. Yn gallu dyna ni diwrnod yng ngwyl comedi Mach yn llath wedi dod I ben. Doedd y jôcs sy'n really hynna ffyni. Felly, dwi off I wylio comedians go iawn, neith gobeithio neu fi chwerthin. Felly, tan tro nesa?